a tripod. This is my camera. This is DJI Osmo. Ginamit ko lang siya kasi bago siya at that time. Pero usually right now, I'm using my phone. iPhone talaga maganda. If you wanna do ads, use phone. Lalo na pag ad content, gumamit ka ng phone. Huwag kang gumamit ng yung DSLR. I have cameras worth like 250, 300 because we have production with clients. Pero when I do ads for my content, phone lang ang gamit ko. I don't know, for some reason, it performs well. I don't know why. So, lahat yung ads na na-target kayo, cellphone lang lahat yun na gamit. It's just that I know how to position myself and how to shoot properly. So, pansin nyo, well-lit ang mukha ko. Hindi ako mukhang hostage. Hindi kayo nag-agree. Mukha ba akong hostage? Mapakawalang hiya. Matapos bigyan ng bonus. Okay. So, camera. Dito. So basically, check mo lang naman yan eh. So this could also be a phone. Next. So ito na yung secret. You have to face the window for optimal lighting. Kaya mukha kang hostage kasi against the light ka. So always make sure, again, this is basic shooting style. The advance would be like you have a key light so that you can, paano pag gabi, hindi ka mag-shoot? So parang ganun. Pero ito, we're just trying to use in as minimal preparation as possible. So, you have to face the window for optimal lighting. So, pansin mo, well-lit ang mukha ko dyan. Because I was facing the window. Ito na yung tinatawag nila na against the light. So, huwag kang mag-shoot ng against the light. At huwag kang mag-shoot kung ang light nasa baba. Kasi mukha kang raccoon. Magkakaroon ka ng raccoon eyes. May shadow yung ano mo. Okay? Or kahit walang light, mas malaki yung shadow. Maraming eye bags pala. So, the next thing that you need to understand is, so, if there's something I need you to buy, it's a lapel. Okay, repeat after me. Audio is king. So sa mga Zoom people, please type down there, audio is king. Okay. So bakit ganun? Bakit yung sinabing audio is king? I'd rather have a good audio with not so good camera than vice versa. Because the problem, if you do not have a good audio, there's a possibility that most people are not capable of connecting to you. Just like what I'm doing right now. Than if it's like this. Right? So, I think that one of the things that I would require you to buy, at least the most, is a lapel. And mind you, it's just 1,000 to 2,000 pesos. Boya. Baka naman. Hindi ako sponsored ng Boya, pero Boya ang gamit ko ever since. So, sobrang mura niya, pero maganda yung quality. So, can you please give it, nandun pala. So, that's it. That's basically it, guys. That's just what I did for me to shoot a content. Okay, sino ang may tanong? Sino dito, Kuya Darbs, may script, hindi ako magaling mag-memorize. Sino dito ang may problema na taas ang kamay? Ay, talaga? Magagaling kayo mag-memorize? Actually, problema ko din siya. That's the reason why hindi ako nagsiscript before. But what if I'll tell you that there is a way for you to deliver the content from the script without memorizing it? Do you think it's possible? Ask me how. So this is now what I call a self-proclaimed invention, which is what I call the parrot method. Can you say that again? Parrot method. Okay. So ano ibig sabihin ng parrot method? So a little bit of a backstory, paano ko na-discover yung parrot method. So before, I hate shooting with scripts. So the first thing that I tried is a teleprompter. Problem with teleprompter is that, although hindi ako nag-memorize, pero mukha ako nagbabasa. Kasi nagbabasa naman talaga ako. So, it's not good. I tried memorization. The problem with memorization is that nagmamadali kang sabihin yung words para hindi mo makalimutan. That the delivery suffers. You're too worried on saying the words that you forget how you deliver the words when you're saying it. And hence, it affects how the audience perceive what you're saying. And that's the reason why you have low engagement. So what's now the solution? The next solution that I thought is, ito yung camera, lagay ko siya dito sa gilid. But the problem there is, yung mata ko nandun sa gilid, wala akong eye contact sa camera. I may be able to read it, but the problem there is, I lose connection with the audience. Kasi hindi ako nakatingin sa camera. And hence, parrot method was invented. So ano ba ang parrot method? So parrot method is, you have someone who would dictate to you line by line, and then you would repeat it. So that you would be focused now, not on memorization, but delivering the words. So this is how it was done.
Na hindi kumakain ng gulay,
Now, if you're a parent na may anak na hindi kumakain ng gulay,
then you need to watch this.
then you need to watch this video.
I think common sa mga anak nating hindi talaga kumakain ng gulay
I think sobrang common sa mga anak natin na hindi kumakain ng gulay.
kasi nga hindi masarap ang lasa.
Kasi nga, hindi masarap ang lasa. Aminin mo, kahit ikaw ayaw. So, nag-a-adlib ako.
I'm sure nakaka-relate ka.
I'm sure nakaka-relate ka.
So in that case,
So, in that case,
I have a perfect magic solution for you.
I have a perfect magic solution
Facing.
for you.
I have a perfect magic
This is
solution for
Dr.
you.
Green's Crunchy Veggie Chips.
This is Dr. Green's Crunchy Veggie Chips.
This is chips pero hindi junk food.
This is chips, pero hindi ito junk food.
100.
So, you might be asking, yung nagdi-dictate, hindi mo siya maririnig. Tama? Exactly. So, inedit out ko siya, di ba? So, kaya pinakita ko muna yung video kanina. Did it look like putol-putol? Exactly. So, it means that this shit works. Palakpakan natin ang memorize ng script! Dahil hindi ko alam ang parrot method. So, what's the takeaway on this? So, ang maganda kasi sa parrot method, guys, is that you're now more focused on delivering the words line by line. Sino dito naka-follow sa akin nanonood ng mga contents ko? Would you believe me that I have been using parrot method for 3 years now? 3 years na ako nagpa-parrot method. Scripted lahat ng content ko at pinaparot sa akin yun. It doesn't look like it was, right? That's the reason why I can vouch that it would not look as if puputol-putol. Because it works. And this has been very revolutionary to those people who wants to make sure that the script that was written would be delivered properly. Alam mo ba na ito ang dahilan kung bakit hindi ka pa yumayaman? Di ba? Versus, ano nga yun? Alam mo ba kung dahilan ba't hindi ka pa yumayaman? Tapusin nga yan. Right? So you can now focus on the delivery because somebody is dictating it for you. Pro tip, write this down. Make sure na ang magpaparot sa inyo has high energy because you can mimic their energy. So, low energy nagpaparot sa akin because sanay na ako. Pwede ko nang timplahin. Pero, pag simula ka pa lang, unknowingly, na mimimic mo even yung intonation niya. Hindi ko alam na ganito pala ang Dr. Greens. Ilonggo pala yung inaano. Paano mo nalaman na ilonggo ako? Siguro sa paglakad ko, no? So make sure to choose a person that has high energy at maganda yung tonality. So that mamimik mo yon. Now, what if Kuya Darbs? Mag-isa lang ako. First of all, kawawa ka naman. Oh. Number 2, maghanap ka ng jowa. Baka it's time. You can read the words. So, read the words by yourself and then repeat it. Pero wag mong skip. So, like say for example, bigyan niyo ako ng script. Ano ba ang script dito? Current slide 18 of 158, the parrot method. Current slide 81 of 58, the parrot method. Current slide, 81 out of 58, the parrot method. Tapos basahin mo ulit. Next slide, 82 of 158. Next slide, 52 out of 158. Ganun lang. Tapos i-edit siya. Pag wala kang kasama, medyo matagal, pero it's possible. Kasi ako, nagpaparot ako mag-isa. Kaso ngayon, hindi na. May kasama na ako eh.
Yes, ano?
Hindi katulad nyo. Joke! Okay, let's go. Learning so far? Yes. Okay ba? Yes. Okay, cool. So, you might be saying na, Baka mahirap to sa iba. So I want to show you a specific content. And again, I wanted to break the limiting belief na baka si Kuya Darbs lang yun at magaling siya. Kasi matagal niya nang ginagawa. So, we have one specific client. Actually, this is our partner sa Sika, na ginamit ko sa kanya ang parrot method, and I will show you the content that was created after that. So, this was the behind the scene.
Dito sa Pilipinas.
Dito sa Pilipinas.
From lotions, soaps,
From lotions, soap,
supplements, and even gluta drips.
supplements, and even gluta drips.
However, hindi lahat afford.
However, hindi lahat afford.
Lahat may budget for that.
Lahat kailangan ng budget for that.
But don't worry.
But don't worry.
Dahil I will share you this product called Sika Glow Skin.
Dahil I will share you this product, Sika Glow Skin.
So, she's new on doing it, but she was able to do it. As long as marunong kang mag-mimic ng sinasabi at marunong kang magsimula, this is for you. Even if you're a 16-year-old, 90 years old, basta hindi okay pa yung vocal cords mo, 60 years old, 45 years old, it's applicable to everyone. Pag okay ang pandinig mo at you can mimic what the other person is saying, this is possible that you can do this for yourself as well. So, I wanted to show you the result. Again, these are parts of the content na educational. Di ba sabi ko kanina, merong value, merong entertainment. So ito naman pure educational, itong ginawa namin sa Sika 20-in-1. Guys, this is one of the reasons why I'm very, very confident in teaching this because I'm applying it to my own business. And that's the reason why rest assured that these things are working because ang first ko na pinag-testingan is our business. So check this out. So ito yung partner ko kanina sa Sika 20-in-1 and this is yung content niya.
These are the 3 basic reminders para maging effective si Sika sa'yo. First, kumain ng tamang pagkain.
Parrot
Huwag kang
method
kumain
yan.
ng junk foods kung gusto mong maging healthy. Magiging imbalance ang ina-absorb ng katawan mo. Kaya di mo nakikita yung result. Second, just drink alcohol and caffeine moderately. Learn to control yourself.
Simula ngayon, hindi na ako iinom ng alak. Sasabaw ko sa kanin.
Magiging slow ang effect ng Sika kasi marami itong need na linisin sa iyong liver. Lastly, mag-exercise. Huwag kang tamad, sis. Oh my gosh, ako na ito. Hindi yan overnight result. It takes time, effort, and consistency to get the best result. Kahit mag-walk-walk ka lang ng 15 minutes, it helps. Kahit nga 5 minutes, pwede na.
Pahinga muna ako. Baka makumatos na ako eh.
Huwag ka lang umupo the whole day. 3 reminders lang yan para maging effective ang Sika. Do your best and Sika Glow Skin will do the rest. Get yours and see the result. Sika Glow Skin, kasama mo sa pagiging bagong ikaw.
So, yan. So you notice na medyo beginner pa siya. Mapapansin mo sa sa salita niya. But the thing is, that's her first time speaking in front of a camera. It's not as bad as she think it was. So again, I'm gonna show you another influencer. So, ito ang hack. If you wanna get an influencer, and most of the time kasi pag an influencer, they might have the creative juice, but they might not know the right messaging for the content. Kasi minsan, real talk ha, hindi lahat ng content creator alam yung process. Yung hook, value, payoff, and those kind of things. Hindi nila alam ang big. It's just that they were able to find a specific format, ginagawa lang nila again, but they don't know how to explain it. Most of them, I'm not saying everyone. So, having this format, and marunong ka na gumawa ng script, you can actually write the script in advance at ipagawa mo sa influencer. So, yun ang ginawa namin. So, this is, tapos, pinarot method lang namin siya. So, this was the result.
How to achieve K-drama skin glow. Nang makakahanap ka ng OPA. I discovered Sika 20-in-1.
Parrot method yan guys ha.
It
Ito
has
medyo magaling siya.
glutathione for skin brightening, and it also has vitamin C with glutathione, which helps with production of collagen and nagsismoothen ng skin mo. Lastly, it has Centella asiatica or Sika, which helps with acne and redness of your skin. Feel na feel mo talaga ang pagiging Koreana mo after taking Sika.
So basically, this content gave us, I don't know, maybe 16 ROAS. Pinapalakpakan po yan.
Very simple. Scripting framework, hook value offer, edutainment, properly CTA, and at the same time, pwede ko pa siyang i-post sa organic content. Pwede siya pang organic, di ba? Pwede din siyang pang ads. So I'm hitting 2 birds in 1 stone. Cool? Learning so far? Yes. So, again, baka sa akin lang at sa partner ko at doon sa influencer ang nag-work. So, I wanted to showcase to you as well another student of mine who's using the Parrot method. So I'm not sure if you know UniPC or Uniprint. You know that? So Gilbert Molina, CEO, fucking billionaire. Umattend siya sa isa sa mga trainings namin katulad nyo. At isa sa mga greatest niya na hack is the Parrot method because it allowed this person to create content na hindi na nagme-memorize. Kasi papasulat niya na lang sa scriptwriter niya. Ang bottleneck na lang is isushoot niya. So this is what he has to say.
Gilbert Molina, boss. Actually, hindi ko inaasahan na yung patututunan ko dito sa masterclass sobrang advanced. Ang pinakamalaking natutunan ko dito, number 1, is yung proseso na Parrot method. Kasi hirap na hirap ako pagdating sa tonality. Pero nung naituro ni Boss Darv, sobrang sabi ko, ito na yung nababagay sa akin. Kasi yung content ko more on static So dito nababagay sa akin, yun yung malaking takeaway at napaka-professional. Sobra akong overwhelmed sa lahat ng mga natututunan ko ngayon.
Yon. So basically, alam niyo yung tonality? Do you know who has an idea what a tonality is? So, for those of you who don't know, tonality is how you speak. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit madalas hindi bumibili sa'yo ang mga tao. Yun yung tonality. So, most of the time, mahirap, hindi lahat gifted in creating tonalities. So, the hack is, you find someone who has a great tonality, you let them parrot so that makakopy mo yung tonality niya. Yun yung greatest takeaway niya na pwede nyo ding gawin as an hack. Okay ba yun? Palakpakan natin si Boss Gilbert. Okay guys, I want you to please everybody stand up. Okay, tapos mag-shake-shake muna tayo. May shake it off ba tayo dyan? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Shake! Yan. Yan. Shake muna, tapos